Ever seen a 10-passenger airliner do a loop? Or land on one wheel with a wingtip scrape? In 1926, Harold Johnson made the Ford Tri-Motor dance in the sky. I'm Bill, and this is Buffalo Air Park. Let's dive in. We start at the Ford Airport, 1926. The brand new Ford Tri-Motor, Henry Ford's Tin Goose, comes rolling in for a landing. Well, on one wheel. Henry Ford himself is there, shaking Harold Johnson's hand, and rubs his head like he can't believe what just happened. Ford wanted this all-metal giant to prove air travel could be safe and reliable. He got more than that. We see close-ups of the engines, the men on the ground admiring it, and Harold Johnson standing proudly next to the fuselage. What a sight. But safe isn't the word for what comes next. Pilot Harold Johnson takes this massive airliner back up and then does the unthinkable. The Tri-Motor starts rolling, looping, even spinning like a stunt plane. Look at that, a 10-passenger transport flipping end over end in the sky. This isn't a nimble biplane. This thing's the size of a bus with wings. How about a one-wheel touch and go with a wingtip drag? No problem. And the landings? Anything but gentle. Johnson dives in hot, drops it to one wheel, and even drags a wingtip across the grass. Again, maybe his signature move. That's pure skill, and maybe a little madness. At the end, Henry Ford greets Johnson with another handshake. Besides them stands Edsel Ford and designer William Stout, proud of what their airplane and their daredevil pilot just pulled off. The designation on the underside of the wing reads NC9610, and what you're watching is one of the wildest flights ever captured on film. And that's how Harold Johnson turned the Ford Tri-Motor from a passenger plane into an airshow star, and again, one of the wildest flights ever caught on film.